You know that you're an honest business owner. I know that you're an honest business owner, but for some reason, your customers, they're just not buying it yet. And I think there are three main reasons why. First of all, it sounds like a scam, especially if you are coming online claiming to have made a ridiculous amount of money in a short period of time. Tell me if you've heard something like this. Guys, I just made $13,741 and I only worked 2 hours in the past 9 days and I did it all at home, raising 5 kids under the age of 4. No, we don't believe that. You are looking at someone who is chronically online, and at least once per week, I am coming across yet another influencer who is being exposed for lying to their followers. They are completely faking their millionaire lifestyle, or they are cheating and scamming their audience out of millions of dollars by promising them something and then not making good on the sale. And so if you are wanting your customers to trust you, you are going to have to do the exact opposite. There are 3 specific mistakes that I think beginner business owners make. And one of those mistakes is spending money on the wrong things. I talk about that in this guide that you can get by clicking the link down below. You can read it without having to turn over your email address and get on my email list. But if you'd like to download it, that option is available to you too. The second reason we're not doing business with you is because we can't find out anything else about you. Are you even a real person? And as AI continues to improve, this is going to be even harder to figure out, but even more important for you to do. Now, the third reason I believe that people aren't buying your products is simply because you have not given us a reason to trust you. It's not happening when you put the screenshots of how much money you've made. It's not happening when you tell us how many thousands of followers that you got in the past 30 days. None of those things are resonating. Ask yourself, what is it that makes you want to buy something from someone else? Look at their actions, look at their characteristics, and then follow that pattern. The people that you are trying to sell to are more than likely going to have the same types of buying habits that you have. Start speaking and talking to them in the same exact way that you would like to be sold to. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here for our next video.